Okay. Hi student. Good morning. See, we have to. It is a last part. Okay. Cell structure and function. See, we have to complete in this session. See, this is last part. Cell, tissue, organ system and organism. See, we have to see the cell. A cell is the cells together forming and make the tissues. See, cells together forming tissues and the tissues together forming organs. The organs together forming organ system, and finally the system, all systems together forming organisms. See, we have to learn very detail in this session. What said cells? First one is a cell is a. What is the cell? See, the fundamental unit of cells. See, cells is a free existing. Cells is a dividing, a multiple division, and see, as we have to see the when born a baby, a small kid, see their weight is a 2.5 kg, 2.5, 3 kg. Now we have to see the 8th standard student. Their weight is a 25, 30, 35 kgs is there. Means the weight is increasing. If a weight is increasing means number of cells is growing in our body. So it is the cells is increasing in our body. Next, all cells. A cell is a smallest unit of life which has a definite structure and performs specific functions. All the cells of multicellular organisms are not similar. See, we have to see the fundamental unit of life is a smallest unit of life. See, which has a definite structures. We have to see the cells has a definite structure is there and performs and specific functions. We have to see the nose cells. Nose cells is a, what is the function? The cells is a detection of the smell. Tongue cells is there. What is their functions? See, test the different types of food substances. See, next what said? It is a all cells is a multicellular organisms is not similar. See, all cells is a similar is there in multicellular organism? No, the different cells is there. Their functions also different is there. See, this is about the cell. Next what said? They are many different shape and size. See, their shape and size also different is there. You already learned blood cells. See, biconcave shape is there. In these cells has their nucleus. This like white blood cells, RBC, WBC. Amoeboid cells is there. See, this like the cells is their shape and structure, their function is different. Most of the cells are specialized to perform the particular functions. They are called the specialized cell. For example, muscle cells. What is the function of muscle cells? Muscle cells is a movement for is a helping to the muscle cells. See, tendons, ligament. See, these are connective tissues. They are helping to the movement. See, next we have to see the connect that they can bring about the movement in the body parts. Okay. See, photosynthesis also. We have to see the photosynthesis. Their cells, their function is a photosynthesis. Already know. Photosynthesis occurring in the green plants, green leaves. What will happen? The photosynthesis, these green leaves has a green pigment. The green pigment is a chlorophyll is present. There is a chlorophyll they are taking from atmosphere to what is carbon dioxide through root and in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, they are preparing the carbohydrate and releasing in our atmosphere as a oxygen. Next we have to learn about the tissues. What is tissues? Group of cells together forming. See, group of cells together forming make a tissues. Make a tissues. The group of similar cells which work together and to form a particular functions is called the tissues. Muscle tissues. See, for example, muscle tissues. Muscle tissue. What is the main function of muscle tissues? So it is a now only said the movement. Next we have to see the photosynthesis, make a food substances also here occurring. Food substances means there is a leaves is there. In the leaves, see, in the leaves is a green pigment is there. Sun to getting sunlight. Sunlight. Okay. See, they are getting the sunlight, chlorophyll is there, and through root they are taking the water. Through root they are taking water and minerals. Minerals. See this like transporting the minerals. They are preparing their own food. See, carbon dioxide plus water and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they are preparing their own food, carbohydrate plus oxygen. Oxygen is a releasing. See this line, their tissues is there, the muscle tissues, the cardiac tissues, connective tissues. Tissues is there na connective tissues, blood cells. Blood is a connecting one cell to another cells and is a transporting the blood along with the nutrition, oxygen from our heart to various parts of our body. See this like connective tissues is there. Next we have to see the in plants also from root they are taking the water and minerals, is a transporting the each and every body parts. See xylem and phloem. See these vessels is a transporting and see xylem is a transporting the root through root water and mineral to leaves. There is a preparing the food substances. That's why we are calling the chlorophyll for kitchen cells. Kitchen cells. See there is a preparing the food substances. Again the food substances is a transporting to various parts of the plant body. So it is a, that is a phloem. Okay. See this is about the tissues. Next we have to see the organ system. What is the say? We have to see the different tissues combined together to form a organs. Organ system. Organs. See next one is a organs. Organs. What is organs is there? Okay. See the different tissues combined together to form a organs. We have to see the heart. Okay. See this is a heart is there. Heart and this is a aorta. See, we have to see the this is a heart. See, this is a septum. See, what is the main function? See, this is a aorta. Aorta. Okay, no need to detail very, but I see this is a heart. The heart is a pumping organ. The heart is a transporting the blood, each and every body cells. Next we have to see the, this is a our digestive system. Here is a digesting the food substances and transporting the each and every body cells. Next we have to see that here is a lungs is there. Lungs, the lungs main function. Okay. So it is a lungs main function is a, what is? Purification of blood. So it is a, here is a exchange of gases, small alveoli, bronchi, bronchioles. See, these all are present. See this, like, see number of alveoli is there. See this, like, this, like, this, like, this, like. Okay. See, means here is a purification of blood, means it is a gases is a exchanging. See, this is about the, what is, organs. Next we have to take the leaf also. It is also a type of organ. Here also exchange of gases. See, next we have to see the here stem. Stem also is a transporting the material from root to leaves. There is a preparing food substances, again transporting the each and every body cells. See, this is about the totally organs. Next we have to see the organ system. Next, organ system. Next we have to see the organ systems. The group of organ together forming interconnected between these organs, we are calling the organ systems. See, all multicellular animals and plants have a many organ systems, see, in their body, and to carry out various life processes. See, we have to see the different organ systems is present in multicellular organisms. They are performing the specific functions or life processes. For example, the various organ systems, animals, including human beings, digestive system, respiratory system. See, so many systems is there. Digestive system, respiratory system, okay, control and coordination system, control and coordination system, Next we have to see the transporting system, transporting systems. See, number of systems is there. See, number of systems is there. The systems have a specific functions. For example, we have to see the digestive system. See, digestive system main function is a digestion of food substances. Okay, digestion of food substances. Here, so many juices also secreting, bile juice and pancreatic juice. See, this like juices is a secreting and helping to the digestion. Next, respiratory system. Here is a exchange of gases. Exchange of gases like a carbon dioxide, oxygen is a exchange here. Next, control and coordination system also is there. Next, transporting systems. These all systems is a helping to our body. See, next we have to see the esophagus, stomach, large intestine. See, this like all are systems. Next we have to see the so many interconnected is there. What say, for example, we have to see the digestive system. Is a first is a mouth is there. Mouth. Next one is a esophagus. Esophagus. There too digestive. See what said? It is a stomach. We are calling stomach. There too small intestine. Small intestine. Next, there too large intestine. Intestine. There too rectum. There too anus. Means this like parts is present. Mouth. We are chewing the food substances, break down food substances. After swallowing, the food substances enter into the esophagus, there to stomach, there to small intestine. Here is a digestion of food substances. There is a large intestine, rectum, anus. Means this like process, it is a totally these cells, these parts is a helping to the digestion of food substances. Next, organisms. See, next organisms is there. See, an organism is an animal or a plant, see, which can exist on its own. See, for example, an organism is made of many different organ systems which work together, perform all the functions and necessary for the maintaining the life. Example, human being is an organism. See, all functions is a doing. So many systems, all systems is a working. Okay, see here organisms is a basically doing their activities. Okay, for example, cat, dog, plant. See the here is a doing their work because all systems is a working. See in organisms. Next, the conclusion that multicellular organisms are built like this and cells make of tissues. Cells make of tissues. Next, finally, cells make of tissues. Tissues make of organs. Organs make of organ systems. Organ system make of organisms. This is totally your lessons. We learn today is a cell, tissue, organ, organ systems and organisms. Cells, tissues, organ, organ systems and organisms. This is totally completed.